Hey everyone, Blake the SpongeBob fan here, and today I got a new portable DVD player for October 17th, 2025, which is after Peyton's birthday. You know, my little sister. So yeah, take a look what I got for Peyton's birthday. It's the Tenker portable DVD player, a digital multimedia portable video player. So here's the front, spine, the other spine, the top, the bottom, the back. It says Tenker, power your life. So, without further ado, let's open this up. There it is, guys. The Tenker portable DVD player. Oh, I have to unbox it with something. Get out the paper. Oh, gotta take that screen protector thing off. And there's that sticker right there. There, it's off now. Open this up and let's just take that thing out of there. Alright, now that portable DVD player is open, let's unbox the other stuff for this. Wow, it comes with our car DVD player? Wow, I did not notice that. And here's the other stuff that came with this. So let's open this up. And of course this comes with the remote control. So this is what it looks like. Here it is. And this comes with a car charger. And this comes with a charger. And it also comes with color cords as well. Wow, so awesome. That means I can connect the portable DVD player to the TV and use my capture card for high quality footage. And here's some batteries for the remote as well. Alright. I don't know if I can open these batteries. I'll have to try soon or something. But anyways, now that the portable DVD player is unboxed, let's turn this on. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Look at that! The background looks like it's a mountain or something. And it says Tenker, support Tenkershop.com. So anyways, let's just test out a DVD. So, the DVD I'm going to be testing out, for example, is Bugs Bunny's Halloween Special. Yep. I had to pick this DVD because of the Halloween month, which is October. So, anyways, let's test this out and see what it sounds like and looks like. Shall we? Here we go. Wow, it's actually in widescreen. Wow, cool. Wow, it actually works pretty good. I guess it tests pretty good. Thank goodness it's in widescreen, so I don't have to change the screen format. So anyway, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this portable DVD player unboxing video. If you did enjoy this unboxing video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss out any new videos on my channel. And I think I'll be doing testing videos on this, and I might do care to watching logo videos with this as well. So anyways, this is Blake, the SpongeBob fan, signing off. Bye!